ሰላም ተማሪዎች እንዴት ናችሁ? እሸቱ ነኝ የ11ኛ ክፍል የሂሳብ መምህር ከሉሲ ብሪጅ አካዳሚ። ዛሬ የምንማረው the absolute value function or modulus function ይሆናል እንማራለን። ከዛ በፊት ግን ልክ እንደ ሁልጊዜው ዌብሳይታችን lucybridgeacademy.com በመግባት የተለያዩ ጥያቄዎችን ታገኛላችሁ፣ አጫጭር ኖቶችን ታገኛላችሁ። እንዲሁም ደግሞ ከ5 ቋንቋዎች በላይ መረዳት የሚችል personalized AI assistance platform ታገኛላችሁ። ስለዚህ አሁኑኑ ሰብስክራይብ ያደርጋችሁ ጆይን አድርጉ። እንዲሁም ደግሞ ለሌሎች ተማሪዎች በስፋት እንድንዳረስ የቴሌግራም ቻናላችንን ተቀላቀሉ፣ የዩቲዩብ ቻናላችንን ሰብስክራይብ አድርጉ። አመሰግናለሁ። Okay, what is absolute value or modulus function? Okay, absolute value or modulus function. An absolute value function is a function. It is distance, you can call it distance between 2 points. Okay, the distance between 2 points, and a distance is always positive value. Okay, no negative distance. Is that clear? Either zero distance or positive distance. That is absolute value. Absolute value or modulus function. How far is 6 from 0? Okay, the number 6, how far is from 0? Look, this is x-axis. Assume this is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6. Okay. So 6 is how many units far from 0? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 units. Okay. Okay. So 6 is 6 units far from 0. Again, minus 6 is also 6 units far from 0. Okay. So the distance between minus 6 and 0 is equal to the distance from 0 to 6. That's it. So 6 units. Okay. Minus 6 is 6 units far from 0. And again, 6 is 6 units far from 0. 6 ከ0 በ6 ዩኒት ርቆ እናገኘዋለን። ኔጋቲቭ 6ም ከ0 በ6 ዩኒት ርቆ እናገኘዋለን ማለት ነው። ስለዚህ ዲስታንስ በ0 እና በ6 መካከል ያለው ስንት ዩኒት ነው? 6 ዩኒት ነው። ዲስታንስ እንደገና በ0 እና በኔጋቲቭ 6 መካከል ያለው ዲስታንስ 6 ዩኒት ነው ማለት ነው። that is absolute value. Absolute value of modulus function. The absolute value of a number x is distance from x to 0 in either direction on the number line. Yes, the absolute value of x means the absolute value of x means is the distance from 0 to x in either direction. Okay, in either direction. Okay, for example, if this is 0, here it may be, you can assume that this is x and this is x, but this one is x in this case less than 0 and this is x is greater than 0. Therefore, the absolute value of x means the distance from negative value from x to 0 or from 0 to x. This is negative and this is positive. For example, if this is minus 6, this is x 6. So anyways, the absolute value of x is the distance from 0 to x in either direction. The absolute value of any real number x is given by the absolute value of x. Don't forget that the absolute value of x is the distance from 0 to x in either direction. That means if you take any number in terms of x, 5 ከሆነ the absolute value of 5 ማለት 5 ከ0 በስተቀኝ 5 ዩኒት ስንሄድ 5 እናገኛለን። ከ0 በስተግራ 5 ዩኒት ስንሄድ -5 እናገኛለን ማለት ነው። Okay, therefore x can be 5 or x can be -5. Distance ከሌለው ደግሞ x can be 0. Anyways, f of x, the absolute value of x is equal to x if x is greater than 0. That means the absolute value of x is equal to, the absolute value of x is equal to, for example, the absolute value of 3 ከሆነ is equal to ምን ሆነ? 3 ያ x ራሱ ለምንድን ነው the absolute value of 3 is equal to 3 ያልነው? 3 ከ0 ስለሚበልጥ ወይም ፖዚቲቭ ቫልዩ ስለሆነ እዚህ ውስጥ x ፖዚቲቭ ቫልዩ ከሆነ እንዳለ ራሱ ይወጣል። Okay, ፖዚቲቭ ከሆነ ዜሮም ከሆነ ራሱ ዜሮ ነው የሚሆነው። ኔጋቲቭ ከሆነ ግን ኔጋቲቭ ቁጥር ከሆነ ግን በኔጋቲቭ ይባዛና ፖዚቲቭ ይሆናል ማለት ነው። this is not a negative number, this is positive and this is positive, both of them are positive, but x can be positive or negative. Look, the absolute value of minus 3 is equal to, since minus 3 is negative or less than 0, so we have to multiply minus 3 by minus of minus 3 ይሄ ማለት ነው, which is equal to positive 3. okay, so አብሶሉት ቫልዩ ውስጥ ያለው ቁጥር ኔጋቲቭ ከሆነ በኔጋቲቭ ይባዛና ፖዚቲቭ ይሆናል ማለት ነው። ወይም ደግሞ the absolute value of 3, the absolute value of minus 3 both are equal because 3 is the distance from 0 to 3 and the absolute value of minus 3 is the distance from negative 3 to 0. Both of them are 3 units, okay? Their distance is 3 units, therefore the absolute value of 3 is equal to 3, the absolute value of minus 3 is equal to 3. Distance between 2 points x and y on the number line is given by, look, the distance between 2 points x and y, okay? This means the absolute value of x minus y. The absolute value of x minus y means the distance between x and y, or value of y minus x possible. okay, example ላሳያችሁ። ለምሳሌ እዚህ ጋር 5 እዚህ ጋር ደግሞ 9 ቢኖረን the distance between 5 and 9 ስንት ነው? 5 6 7 8 9 ስንት ዩኒት አለን? 4 ዩኒት አለን። ከ5 እስከ 7 ከ5 እስከ 6 1 ዩኒት፣ ከ5 እስከ 7 2 ዩኒት፣ ከ7 እስከ 8 3 ዩኒት። ስለዚህ ከ5 እስከ 9 4 ዩኒት አለ ማለት that means the distance between 5 and 9 means the absolute value of 5 minus 9 or the absolute value of 9 minus 5 ማለት ትችላላችሁ። ፈለጋችሁትን መውሰድ ትችላላችሁ። the distance between 5 and 9, okay? Therefore the absolute value of 5 minus 9 means the absolute value of negative 4, which is equal to 9 minus 5 is 4. Yes, the absolute value of 4, the absolute value of minus 4 is equal to 4, and the absolute value of 4 also 4. So the distance between 5 and 9 is 4. The absolute value of 9 minus 5 or the absolute value of 5 minus 9, the same thing, both of them are 4. Anyways, the distance between 2 points x and y means the absolute value of x minus 5 or the absolute value of y minus x. The absolute value of x is equal to k means the distance from x to 0 is exactly k units here. But k should be greater than or equal to 0, okay? The absolute value of x, since the absolute value of x is always positive, greater than or equal to 0, is equal to k means where k must be greater than or equal to 0. This means the distance from x to 0, okay? ከኦሪጂኑ ከ0 እስከ x ድረስ ያለው ዲስታንስ k ነው ማለት ነው። this is k, okay? k. The distance between 0 and x is k. Always the absolute value of x means the distance from 0 to x ማለት ነው, which is equal to k where k is positive because the absolute value of a number is always positive. Okay, now the absolute value of x minus 7 is equal to means the distance from x to 7. Yes, the absolute value of x minus 7 is the distance between x, or you can say that x minus 2 and 0. The distance between x minus 2 and 0 means the distance between x and 7, which is equal to 2. In this case, before that, let me define the first one. In this case, the absolute value of x is equal to k, where k is greater than 0. This implies that x is equal to k or x is equal to minus k. Okay? Yeah. K units, k0, k units to the left, k units to the right ማለት ነው። Anyways, the absolute value of x is equal to k means provided that k greater than 0, x is equal to k or x is equal to minus k. Again, similarly, the absolute value of x minus 7 is equal to 2 means the distance between x and 7 is 2 ማለት ነው። ፈልጉ on the number line, here is x 7 ማስቀመጥ እንችላለን። እዚህ ጋር ደግሞ x ማስቀመጥ እንችላለን ማለት ነው። ስለዚህ በሁለቱ መካከል ያለው ርቀት ስንት ዩኒት ነው? 2 ዩኒት ነው ማለት ነው። ኦኬ Yeah, 2 units. Okay, እስከዚህ ያለው ርቀት this means the absolute value of x minus 7 is equal to 2 እንላለን። the distance between 2 points x and y ብለናል ቅድም። the absolute value of x minus y means the distance between x and y. Therefore, the distance between x and 7 means x minus 7, which is equal to 2. Now, to determine the value of x, you can use x minus 7 maybe 2 or x minus 7 is equal to minus 2. Okay, that means x is equal to 2 plus 7 or x is equal to minus 2 plus 7, which implies that x is equal to 9 or x is equal to 5. Yes, that's like በዚህ ጋር በሰባት ከሆነ ከሰባት በዚህ በኩል 5 አለ፣ ከሰባት በቀኝ በኩል ደግሞ 9 ይኖራል ማለት ነው። ሶ በሰባትና በ9 መካከል ያለው ርቀት 2 ነው። በ5 እና በ7 መካከል ያለው ርቀት 2 ነው። ስለዚህ x 5 ሊሆን ይችላል ወይም 9 ሊሆን ይችላል። x minus 7 means 5 minus 7 or 9 minus 7. Okay. So the answer is x equal to 5 or x is equal to 9. The absolute value of x plus 5 is equal to 3 means the distance from x to 5 is 3. Yes, the absolute value of x plus 5 is equal to 3 means the distance from x to negative 5 is 3 units. Yeah, why negative 5? Because we say that the absolute value of x minus y means the distance between x and y. The absolute value of x plus y the distance between x and minus y if y is a number, right? So the distance between the absolute value of x minus 5, okay, is equal to 3. Okay, equal to 3. This means the distance between x and minus 5. Now this means the absolute value of x plus 5, okay, which is equal to 3. This means x plus 5 is equal to 3 or x plus 5 is equal to minus 3, implies x is equal to 3 minus 5 or x is equal to minus 3 minus 5. Okay, x is equal to minus 2 or x is equal to minus 8. Yes, ከኔጌቲቭ 5 በግራ በኩል ኔጌቲቭ 8 ስንት ዩኒት? 3 ዩኒት ርቆ ታገኙታላችሁ። ከኔጌቲቭ 5 በስተቀኝ በኩል ደግሞ ኔጌቲቭ 2 3 ዩኒት ርቆ ታገኙታላችሁ ማለት ነው። እንደዚህ ማለት ነው። እዚህ ጋር ኔጌቲቭ 5 አለኝ፣ በዚህ በኩል ኔጋቲቭ 2፣ በዚህ በኩል ደግሞ ኔጋቲቭ 8። ሶሪ ይሄ ኔጋቲቭ 8፣ በዚህ በኩል ደግሞ ኔጋቲቭ 3፣ ኔጋቲቭ 2። so that the distance between them is what? 3 unit. 3 unit. 3 unit. Okay, it is 3 unit. Again, this one is 3 unit. በኔጋቲቭ 5 እና በኔጋቲቭ 2 መካከል 3 ዩኒት አለ ወይም ደግሞ ዲስታንሱ 3 ነው። በኔጋቲቭ 8 እና በኔጋቲቭ 5 መካከል ደግሞ ዲስታንሱ 3 ነው ማለት ነው። Okay. Now let me see another example. Name all real numbers whose distance from 0 on the number line is 8. በዜሮ እና ከዜሮ ጀምሮ በግራና በቀኝ በኩል 8 ዩኒት ርቀው የምናገኛቸው 8 እና ኔጋቲቭ 8 ናቸው ማለት ነው። ኦኬ that means the absolute value of x minus 8 ማለት ነው። ኦኬ the absolute value of the absolute value of x is equal to 8 is okay. Okay, the absolute value of x is equal to 8 ማለት ነው። Okay, name all real numbers whose distance from 0 on the number line is 8. On the number line is 8. That means x is equal to 8 or x is equal to minus 8 ነው ማለት። ስለዚህ ከ0 ኔጋቲቭ 8 እና 8 ዩኒት ርቀው እናገኛቸዋለን ማለት ነው። Name all real numbers whose absolute is 5. Yes, the absolute value of x is equal to 5. that is x is equal to minus 5 or x is equal to 5. Same thing. The absolute value of name all real numbers whose absolute value is 5 means the absolute value of x is equal to 5 ማለት ነው። ይሄ ማለት ከኦሪጂኑ 5 ዩኒት ርቀው የሚገኙ ማናማን ናቸው? 5 እና ኔጋቲቭ 5 ናቸው ማለት ነው። x is equal to 5 or x is equal to minus 5 ነው ማለት ነው። Okay, find the number whose distance between a number and 4 on the number line is 6. This means, look, a number and 4, the distance between ማናቀው ቁጥርና በአራት መካከል ያለው ነው። So use absolute value, okay? The absolute value of x minus what? Minus 4. Find the number whose distance is between a number and 4. x minus 4 which is equal to በመካከላቸው ያለው ዲስታንስ ስንት ነው? 6 ዩኒት ማለት ነው። Okay, so absolute value of x minus 4 is equal to 6. The distance between x and 4 means the distance between a number and 4. Yes, find the number whose distance between a number and 4 on the number line is 6. Yes, በማይታወቀው ቁጥርና በአራት መካከል ያለው ዲስታንስ 6 ነው ይላል። That means absolute value of x minus 4 is equal to 6. This means x minus 4 is equal to 6 or x minus 4 is equal to minus 6 implies x is equal to 6 plus 4 or x is equal to minus 6 plus 4 means x is equal to 10 or x is equal to minus 2. So ቁጥሩ ማን ነው ሊሆን የሚችለው? 10 ወይም ኔጋቲቭ 2 ምክንያቱም በ10 እና በ4 መካከል 6 ዩኒት አለ። በኔጋቲቭ 2 እና በ4 መካከልም 6 ዩኒት አለ ማለት ነው። okay, this is 4, right? 4 በግራ በኩል ኔጋቲቭ 2 አለ፣ በቀኝ በኩል ደግሞ 10 አለ ማለት ነው። ከ10 ላይ 4 ስትቀንሱ ዲስታንስ the absolute value of 10 minus 4 is 6. okay, the absolute value of 4 minus 10 minus 4 which is equal to 6. Yes, again here the absolute value of 4 minus 2. Yes, the absolute value of 4 plus the distance between 4 minus 4 plus, so which is 6. 6 is equal to, yes, the distance between 4 and minus 2 is 6. The distance between 10 and 4 is 6. So the two numbers are 10 and negative 2. Okay. If the absolute value of x plus y less than the absolute value of x plus the absolute value of y, what can you conclude about the real number x and y? Okay, look, it's very important concept. The absolute value of x plus y is less than the absolute value of x plus the absolute value of y. Okay, what can you conclude about the real number x and y? ይሄም የሆነው x እና y ምን አይነት ቁጥሮች ሲሆኑ ነው? Okay, the absolute value of x plus y less than the absolute value of x plus the absolute value of y የሚሆነው x እና y ምን አይነት ቁጥሮች ሲሆኑ ነው? የመጀመሪያውን ኬስ ተመለከቱ። x እና y ሁለቱም ኔጌቲቭ ሲሆኑ ነው የሚለው። ይሄ አይሆንም። ምክንያቱም እስኪ ካውንተር ኤግዛምፕል መውሰድ ትችላላችሁ። እዚህ ጋር ኔጋቲቭ ቁጥሮች this means x less than y less than 0 ማለት you can take negative 2 less than negative 1. ኔጋቲቭ 2 እና ኔጋቲቭ 1 ከወሰዳችሁ ሁለቱም ከዜሮ በታች ናቸው። ሁለት ኔጋቲቭ ቁጥሮችን መውሰድ ማለት ነው በሌላ አገላለጽ። so the absolute value of negative 2 plus negative 1 is less than the absolute value of negative 2 plus the absolute value of negative 1 ማለት ነው። okay, ይሄ ማለት the absolute value of negative 3 less than the absolute value of negative 2 is 2 and the absolute value of negative 1 is 1. So the absolute value of negative 3 is 3. 3 less than 2 plus 1, 3. They are equal, okay? They are equal. So less than አልሆነም ማለት ነው። የፈለጋችሁትን ቁጥር ብትወስዱ this is not always true, okay? ሁለቱም ኔጌቲቭ ቁጥሮች ወይም ሁለቱም ፖዚቲቭ ቁጥሮች ከሆኑ አይሆንም ማለት ነው። ይሄም ፖዚቲቭ ለምሳሌ ማንውሰድ 4 እና 3ን ብንወስድ 4 is greater than 3 greater than 0 ሁለቱም ፖዚቲቭ ቁጥሮች ሲሆኑ the absolute value of 4 plus 3 less than the absolute value of 4 plus the absolute value of 3. okay, this means the absolute value of 7 less than the absolute value of the absolute value of 4 is 4 plus the absolute value of 3 is 3. So the absolute value of 7 is 7 less than 7. Not 7 is not less than 7. They are equal. Therefore, this is false. Okay. እነዚህ ሳቲስፋይ ያደርጉትም x times y less than 0 ማለት the product of x and y less than 0 means either x or y is negative. Okay. አንዱ ኔጌቲቭ ነው፣ ሌላኛው ፖዚቲቭ። የሁለት ቁጥሮች ፕሮዳክት ኔጌቲቭ የሚመጣው ከሁለት አንዱ ኔጌቲቭ ሲሆኑ ነው፣ ወይም አንደኛው ፖዚቲቭ ነው ሌላኛው ኔጋቲቭ ሲሆኑ ነው ማለት ነው። therefore መልሳችን ከሬክት የሚሆነው ይሄ ነው ማለት ሲ ነው ማለት ነው። okay it's always true. okay you can conclude what can you conclude about the real number x and y? አሁን ምን ማለት ነው? አንዱ ኔጌቲቭ ሌላው ፖዚቲቭ። ለምሳሌ let me take xy x times y, xy is less than 0 means this implies x less than 0 and y greater than 0 ማለት ነው። or x greater than 0 and y less than 0 ማለት ነው። ኦኬ x times y less than 0 ማለት ከሁለት አንደኛው ኔጌቲቭ ከሆነ ሌላኛው ፖዚቲቭ፣ ሁለቱም ኔጌቲቭ ከሆኑ ፕሮዳክታቸው ፖዚቲቭ ነው፣ ሁለቱም ፖዚቲቭ ከሆኑ ፕሮዳክታቸው ፖዚቲቭ ነው። ሶ ፕሮዳክታቸው ኔጌቲቭ እንዲሆን አንዱ ኔጌቲቭ ሌላው ፖዚቲቭ መሆን አለባቸው ማለት ነው። ኦኬ ኤኒዌይስ ኔጌቲቭ ቁጥርና ፖዚቲቭ እንውሰድ። let x is equal to 2 and y is equal to -3 መውሰድ እንችላለን። አንዱ ኔጌቲቭ ሌላው ፖዚቲቭ ማቀያየርም ትችላላችሁ። ኦኬ now the absolute value of x plus y less than the absolute value of x plus the absolute value of y. okay what is x? 2. what is y? 3. 2 minus 3 less than the absolute value of 2, the absolute value of 2 plus the absolute value of -3. okay 2 minus 3 minus 1 less than the absolute value of 2, 2 plus the absolute value of negative 3, 3. The absolute value of negative 1, 1 less than 2 plus 3 which is 5. okay yeah, so this is true. This is a counter example, but for any real number x less than 0 and y greater than 0, the absolute value of x plus y is less than the absolute value of x plus the absolute value of y. okay for what real values of x it is true that the absolute value of x is greater than negative x. okay the absolute value of x is greater than minus x. for what value of x? okay absolute value of x ከማይነስ x የሚበልጠው መቼ ነው ነው when it is positive. okay when x is positive, the answer is for x is positive. okay the absolute value of x greater than minus x for what? for x greater than 0. ለምሳሌ አንድ ካውንተር ኤግዛምፕል መውሰድ ትችላላችሁ። 3 the absolute value of 3 greater than minus 3. yes the absolute value of 3 greater than minus 3 which is true. okay but ኔጌቲቭ ቁጥር ከወሰዳችሁ ግን the absolute value of negative 2 greater than negative 2. okay the absolute value of negative 2 greater than positive 2 which is false. okay they are equal. okay 0 ደግሞ ከወሰዳችሁ the absolute value of 0 greater than negative 0 means 0, that means 0 greater than 0 which is false. okay so the answer is when absolute value of x is greater than minus x means for x greater than 0, x positive ቁጥር ከሆነ the absolute value of x is greater than minus x ይሆናል ማለት ነው። this is all for today. next we will see the next part of modulus function or absolute value function. በሚቀጥለው ቪዲዮአችን ቀጣዩን የአብሶሉት value function እናያለን። ለዛሬ the absolute value of two numbers means the distance between 2 points. the distance between x and y means the absolute value of x minus y ማለት ነው። okay this is all for today. next video we will see next part of modulus function. ማንኛውም አይነት አስተያየትና ጥያቄ ካላችሁ የቴሌግራም ቻናላችን ላይ ማስቀመጣችሁን እንዳትረሱ። በዌብሳይታችን lucyBridgeAcademy.com እየገባችሁ አጫጭር ኖቶችን ታገኛላችሁ፣ ጥያቄ ባንኮችን ታገኛላችሁ። እንዲሁም ደግሞ ከ5 በላይ ቋንቋዎችን መረዳት የሚችል ፐርሰናላይዝድ AI አሲስታንስ ፕላትፎርም ታገኛላችሁ። ስለዚህ ጆይን እና ሰብስክራይብ ማድረጋችሁን እንዳትረሱ። እስካሁን አብሬያችሁ የቆየሁት እሸቱ ነኝ። በሚቀጥለው ቪዲዮ እስከምንገናኝ ደህና ቆዩኝ።